Hello math enthusiast! Welcome sa ating YouTube channel kung saan ang math ay mas pinadadali at mas minamahal. For today's video, ang i-discuss natin is about division of rational algebraic expressions or division of RAE. Now, itong division natin ay medyo madali lang din kung ikaw ay na-master mo yung multiplication of RAE. Now, ang key lang naman dito, dapat marunong kang mag-factor at magaling ka sa cancellation natin para mas mabilis sa'yo para mag-divide. Now, here are the steps. Number 1, get the reciprocal of the divisor. So, ang unang-una mong gagawin, ibabaliktarin. Tama ba yun? No. Kukunin mo yung reciprocal ng divisor mo. And then, rewrite the equation and change the operation to multiplication and find the product of the given expression. So, para mas madaling matandaan yung 3 steps na yan, ang tinuturo ko sa mga estudyante ko, tandaan lang nila yung KCF. Ano ba yung KCF? Keep, change, and then flip. Ibig sabihin, yung dividend mo, keep lang siya, wala kang gagawin sa kanya. And then, yung operation mo na division, i-change mo siya into multiplication. And then, flip. Flip, pagbabaliktad, di ba? Pag kumukuha tayo ng reciprocal, ang ginagawa natin, pinagbabaliktad, ini-invert natin. So, para malagay yun sa isip nyo, matandaan nyo palagi, hindi mawaglit, tandaan nyo lang ang KCF. Again, KCF is keep, change, and flip. Again, keep, change, and flip. Now, let's start. Tingnan natin kung magagamit natin yung keep, change, and flip na yan. Natawa kayo? Okay. So, we have here k squared minus 25 over k plus 5 divided by k minus 5 over k squared plus 6k plus 5. So, ang kailangan daw natin gawin ay yung procedure na KCF. So, eto, keep lang natin siya. Pag sinabi natin keep, kopyahin lang siya. So, k squared. Nga pala, habang sinusulat ko ito, huwag kalimutan i-share ang video na ito, i-like, at mag-comment ha, mamaya. Thank you. Okay? And then, since division ito, ang gagawin nyo, i-change nyo siya. Saan? Sa multiplication. And then, flip to. Ibig sabihin, mai-invert siya. Diba? Ganun tayo mag-flip. Kung, ano ba yun? Kung may baraha ka, kung nakataob siya, magiging nakaharap na siya. So, eto, dahil eto ay ganyan, pagbabalik na rin natin. So, we have here now, ang nasa taas na ay k squared plus 6k plus 5, over k minus 5. Busog si ma'am. Okay, now, since multiplication na to, ang kailangan na natin gawin ay mag-factor. Since this is, anong tawag dito? This is the square of binomial. Difference of 2 square. We have here k squared minus 25 over k plus 5 divided by k minus 5 over k squared plus 6k plus 5. So, kailangan natin i-apply itong KCF or keep, change, flip. So, K, C, and then F. Sorry. So, eto ay kikip lang natin. So, kukopyahin lang natin siya. Nga pala, habang sinusulat ko ito, huwag niyong kalimutan i-share ang ating mga videos at mag-aya pa kayo ng mga pwede nating maging subscriber para hindi lang kayo ang natututo, mas marami pang natututo. So, this time, change siya. So, from division, magiging multiplication siya. That's how we do it, ha? Ganun tayo mag-change. Yung division, magiging multiplication. And then, we flip this one. So, pag flip, magbabaliktad lang siya. Yung denominator, magiging numerator. And then, yung numerator niya, magiging denominator. Pasensya na sa ingay. Okay, next, we have here. So, dahil ito na nga ang magiging numerator natin, we have k squared plus 6k plus 5. Okay, over k minus 5. And then now, we can now do factoring. Ito pwedeng ma-factor. Ito din pwedeng ma-factor. Since ito ay difference of two squares, mas madali lang siyang i-factor. Kasi kunin mo lang yung square root ng first term and then square root ng last term. So, this is k squared, kaya magiging k and then k. And then square root ng 25 is 5. So, we have here 5 and 5. So, yung isa dyan plus, isa dyan minus. Kasi nga, yun yung para sa ating difference of two squares. Nakakancel kasi natin yung middle term. Over k plus 5. Okay? Times, let's factor this one. K squared plus 6k plus 5. Ang factor niya ay ano? So, we have here k and then k. Ano ang factors ng 5? 1 and 5 lang naman ang factor niyan. So, pag yung 1 and 5 ba ay inad ko, lalabas ba yung middle term natin na 6? Oo. So, we have here 1 and then 5. Since this is positive, ibig sabihin parehong positive ang sign natin at dahil lang sabi ni middle term, positive siya. Okay, and then k minus 5. Okay, now we can do the cancellation method. Pwede tayong mag-cancel vertically and then, vertically and then diagonally, ha? So, we will have here, cancel ito. So, canceled na siya and then canceled din ito. So, ano na lang natira? 1 na lang to. 1 times this one. Ito ang sagot. So, we will have here k plus 1. Okay. And then k plus 5. Since we have here 1 times 1, kasi 1 na lang yung natira dyan, kasi kinancel natin, so wala na yan. Ang final answer natin will be this. Yay! Ang dali, no? Okay, sige nga, tignan natin kung mas madali pa yung mga susunod nating given. So, we have number 2, 4 over m minus 6 divided by 4m over 8m minus 48. So, pinakamadaling paraan is KCF, keep, and then change, and then flip. So, we have here, 4, and then m minus 6, kasi keep nga siya, so you have to just copy it. Kokopyahin lang. Division, dahil change, magiging times, and then flip, magbabaliktad. So, si 8m nasa taas na ngayon, saka si negative 48 over 4m. Nagkabaliktad na sila. Okay, now we can do factoring. Pwede na tayong mag-factor. Ano lang yung pwede nating i-factor dyan? Ito hindi na. Ito na lang by common monomial factoring. So, ito kokopyahin natin. 4 over m minus 6 times, ang common factor ng 8m minus 48 is 8. Okay, so anong matitira dito sa loob natin? 8m divided by 8 is m na lang. Minus 48 divided by 8 is 6. Okay, over 4m. And now, we can do cancellation. So, we have this one canceled. Okay, and then itong 4 na to. Okay, so wala na. Pwede na nating i-multiply. So, this is 1, di ba? 1 times 8 is only 8. Over, and then yung na-cancel natin, 1 na lang din to. 1 times m is m. So, the answer is 8m. O, diba? Ang bilis lang natin mag-multiply, parang wala pang 1 minuto. Basta marunong mag-factoring at marunong mag-cancellation. Next, a minus 4 over a squared minus 2a minus 8. Divided by 1 over a minus 5. Okay lang ba yung bilis ko? O mabilis ako o mabagal ako? Please pa-comment naman para alam ko kung paano ko i-adjust tong mga tutorial ko. Sige, mag-comment lang kayo dyan, ha? Over, 1 minus 5. So, this is KCC. KCF. Ang naaalala ko yung sa subtraction of integers. So, we have there KCF. Again, KCF. Keep, change, and then flip. So, we have here a minus 4 over a squared minus 2a minus 8. Change, times, and then flip. Okay, flip. So, magiging a minus 5 over 1. And then we factor. Ito, pwede nating i-factor, ha? So, we have here copy x minus 4 kasi hindi na yan mapafactor. Anong factor ng 8 natin na magbibigay ng 2? So, ang factor ng 8 ay 1 times 8 and then 4 times 2. Alin kaya dyan ang pipiliin ko? Dahil ang middle term ko ay 2, obviously, ang pipiliin ko itong 4 times 2. Kasi pag sinubtract ko yung dalawa na yan, 2 ang lalabas. Okay, so we have here A and then 4 and 2. Okay, now since ang sign natin ay negative, ang ating factor sa isang positive, isang negative. Pero tingnan natin si middle term. Since negative ang middle term natin, ibig sabihin yung negative sign nasa bigger number, nasa mas malaking number. So nandito siya kay negative 4 and then we have here now positive. Okay, times A minus 5 over 1. O, so anong mangyayari sa atin dito? Ika-cancel natin ito, saka ito. Okay, so we have here now, what? Magiging, ang matitira na lang na sa atin ay, kung ito ay 1, so 1 times A minus 5 is A minus 5 over A plus 2. And that's it. Yan na yung answer natin. Okay, next number 4, we have here this one, 6 over 28 plus x divided by 35x plus a 5. So we have here keep, change, and then flip. So we keep this one, 6 over 28x plus a 4. Change times, okay, over, since if i-flip natin to, dito na si 35x plus 5 over 6. And then we do factoring. So, hindi na mapafactor si 6. Wag na natin i-factor. Mapafactor naman siya, pero okay na yan. Ito ay 28x plus 4. So, common nila is 4. So, 28 divided by 4 is 7x plus 4 divided by 4, 1. Okay? Times, anong common ni 35 and 5? So, we have 5. Okay, 35x divided by 5 is 7x. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So, plus 1. Medyo nabubulol-bulol na ako, no? Pagpasensyahan nyo na. Over 6. And we do now the cancellation method. So, cancel ito, cancel. Kasi diagonal. Ito din, cancel natin. So, ang matitira na lang natin ay 5 over 4. So, this is now our final answer. Yay! Saglit lang. Ang sarap mag-divide, no? Saka mag-multiply. Okay? So we have here now 6, 8 plus 27 over 18a squared plus 36. So this is keep divided by ito, magiging change, and then flip. 16a plus 72 over 2a plus 3. So we copy this kasi keep lang naman siya. Okay, so we have here 18a squared plus 36a. Multiplied na siya kasi multiplication na siya over, dahil flip, magkakabaliktad na sila. So, 2a plus 4. And then, we have 16a plus 72. O, dapat na master nyo na yung flipping, ha? Flipping of cards. Now, ito, flipping of expressions. Okay, now, ano ang mga common nila? Common monomial factoring ito lahat, ha? So, ang common is 6 and 27 ay 3. So, 6a divided by 3 is 2a plus 27 divided by 3 is 9. So, yan ay nasa taas natin. Dito, 18a squared plus 36a. Ang common nila ay 18. Dahil a squared to, a. So, common nila si a. Ang matitira na lang dito ay a na lang siya. Okay? And then, 36. So, we have plus 2. Since nakuha na natin yung a dito, wala na siyang a. Nadi-differentiate ba yung a sa 9? Mas mahaba ang ang 9. O, ayan, ayusin ko. Okay, times. So, ang common ng 2a plus 4 ay 2. Divisible by 2. So, we have here a plus 2. Okay, and then ang common ni 16 and 72 is what? 8. So, we have here 8. 16 divided by 8 is 2. So, we have here a plus 72 divided by 8 is 9. And then, ang daming makakancel. Ang sarap naman itong given na ito. Wait lang ha, i-enter ko lang siya para medyo malaki pa yung space natin. Okay? No. Yun lang yung enter. Go LoveMATH. And please subscribe. Okay, so we have here. Ano makakancel natin? So, we can have diagonal and vertical, ha? Huwag kalimutan. So, itong 2a plus 9, 2a plus 9. A plus 2, and then a plus 2. 2 and 8. So, we have here 1 and then 4 here. Ha? Kasi 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Do I have to explain that? Diba? Naiisip nyo naman, no? Okay? Kaya, pag-aralan ulit yung multiplication of fractions ha, para ma-master to. Kasi ang hirap i-recall na sa inyo ha. So, we have here 3 and 18a. So, we have here 1. Dito naman magiging 6. Tapos may matitira ka pang a ha, 6a. So, 1 times 1 is 1 over 6a times 4 is 24a. And that's it. That's our multiplication. Ganyan lang siya kadali mag-multiply. Okay? Now, kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Sobra-sobra naman po ang inyong suporta. Pero sana po ma-like nyo pa rin, makapag-comment pa rin kayo at makapag-share pa rin kayo. At kung kayo ay bago pa lang sa ating YouTube channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga videos na i-upload ko. Please like, comment, and share! Let's spread the love of math. Bye! Thank you!